Times have changed and we've got to be a little bit more savvy. We use email sequencing to follow up. There's all sorts of different ways to do it, but email is consistent all through the ages here. It just keeps working over and over again. So what we've done is we've taken the best of all these different automated systems and we put them together, and then we fixed the missing pieces that were there. So what we're going to do is we're creating an opportunity for you to be able to move forward in an amazing way. And that amazing way is this: at no cost to you. That's right, zero cost, zero liability to you at all. The only thing that it will require is your consistency and your effort to go through the steps that we show you and to continually just grow the business. It's not going to cost you an initial investment of any kind. In fact, yes, there will be an option to upgrade to really supercharge the system in the future, but I encourage you, do not do it until it's making you the money. See, with this system, we offer a 60% commission. So if you have two people that actually purchase the upgrade, well, what's that mean to you? That means you will automatically be upgraded into the supercharged system at no cost out of your pocket. It all comes out of your profits. And that's the best way to do anything, is only to invest out of the profit or the increase that you have. So when we ask you to give, we're going to go with that old biblical perspective. We want you to give out of your increase, not out of what you have, but your increase of what you've had. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're automating an entire system to where you come in, you give away a free opportunity for somebody else to earn an income. In addition to that, they'll also get a free copy of my book, The Book on Being Better. You've received this, you've checked it out, you know what's inside, you know it's a good book. What great benefit is there? I mean, what other benefit is there other than we get to help other people succeed in life without asking anything from them directly in return? So they're going to get a free copy of the book. They're going to get this entire system that's automated. Within that free system, we have a 30-day campaign of emails that are already pre-written. They're going to come pre-coded with your affiliate links. And then as you promote it, as you give away this book, as you give away this free opportunity, people will come into the system. And as they're in the system, they'll have the opportunity to move forward, to advance, to make more money, and to be able to move forward and upgrade. When they upgrade, you start getting paid and you get that commission. There's nothing for you to deliver. The only thing that you have to do is actually just drive traffic back to the offer. Now, I know it sounds pretty simple, but where's the long end? Well, that's the problem. Most of these systems have an end. It just stops. You get your end of your 30-day sequence, and then what? Now you got a list full of people and nothing to mail them. We solve that with the supercharged system. With the supercharged system, what we do is every single month, we're going to give you a new campaign. But here's the power. We've spent the previous month researching what's hot, what's selling in the marketplace. And then we rewrite all of those campaigns for you. So every month you have what's currently selling well in the campaign. The longer you stay with us, the more that you have of these campaigns, so that you can continue to make money. And this isn't just a small little portion. Some of these products will be recurring, $15, $20 a month. Other of these products, you'll be earning affiliate commissions anywhere from $300 to $400, $500 for these same products on a one-off sale. And that's the power and the process behind what it is that we do, is everything remains up to date, it's current, and it's relevant in the marketplace today. And most importantly, you can choose to upgrade or not upgrade, or cancel your membership altogether, and you will still be able to maintain keeping that entire system. This is not a pay-to-play system. I've created this system because I am tired of the greed in the world, basically giving whiplashes to everybody who's lost hope and then make them helpless because they've been beaten down. So I created this system at no charge to you, out of me. Now here's the cool thing. You're not going to be left alone. Inside of our membership area, you also get free direct training at least twice a week or twice a month, where you get to be able to come in and learn. And then there's going to be a Q&A time in which you can ask questions. You're not going to be left in the dark, and you're not going to be left without knowing what to do. We give you everything that you possibly need. All you have to do is show up and do the work. So if that's something that you're interested, definitely check out your next email. And I look forward to working with you more closely in the future. Because my goal this year is not to grow my business. Mine is to help you to build a business that you can grow.